Good morning and welcome back to the 50 Shades of Grass channel here on YouTube. Today we are out in Staten Island installing a putting green. So the weather is not going to cooperate with us today, unfortunately. We are going to be dancing around a few potential showers that are going to be rolling through. So I am going to go pick up the guys. You better go grab your boots and let's get going.
I can't drive in boots. It's too heavy. These are steel-toed.
Sounds like you're not ready.
I'm ready. I got my shoes on.
You better be ready.
I got my driving shoes on.
Holy
I got my
smokes.
driving shoes on. What show is that? New Girl. It's like, I got my driving box. No, everything's ready to go. If we're winning, I'm gonna be there.
Blue truck. Just fire that up. Go put your stuff in there. We got to get some stuff out of here too. Yeah, all the doors are locked. Oh, that's not good. Oh, good. Always roll down the windows when you start a truck, just in case.
You didn't even start?
No, all the stuff's in here. There's the projects.
I'm not leaving my boots on.
No, I don't do that. We have a bag of rock in the back of the SUV and the cooler and ice. Can you grab that? Can you grab the cooler out of the back of the SUV?
No. My hands will burn. I already see it. I knew there was something fishy.
Get the cooler out of the back.
Oh, I can't. My hands are full. Keyshawn, can you grab that shitty cooler?
Guys are going to unload the truck with some of the tools. Let's go take a look at the job site in the back here. So through these two PVC fences. Close that up. Around and through. So that's going to be our putting green project for today. 30 by 12 on this wide end of the peanut. I'm gonna go help the guys get situated. Look at that view. It's gorgeous back here. That's good. What's wrong with that?
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Good job, bud.
It's been a while since I did the
I know. Gotta get back into the swing of things, right?
Yeah. I thought this felt a little wobbly.
So what does that mean?
Water.
You gotta bolt it back together?
You gotta tighten it.
You see it.
Tighten the bolt up. We're missing the bolt. Where'd the bolt go?
I don't know. This is the first barrel I just took. Still collecting these?
No.
Just be careful walking with that so we don't get dust
Your
everywhere.
water or my water?
Okay.
We gotta go get another bag.
Yep.
You're good? You taking it off?
Yeah.
Why?
So I could kind of like push this side a little bit over there. Because it was. Thank you.
Got another bag of stone dust going in. Number 2 for the day. Just had lunch. It's pretty tasty. Keyshawn's got proper form, lifting with his back. Jacob finishes off.
Yep.
So Keyshawn,
What's up?
I ask everybody this, but I guess it's time to ask you this. What is one thing that you think can make your job a little easier?
At the moment?
Well, I mean, yeah, sure. I mean, it's going to change after, if that comes to fruition. But, you know, like Willie wants mechanical everything. Jacob wants motorized wheelbarrows.
Maybe if we could invent something that could magically transport all the stone dust and evenly like distribute it on where our project is.
Yeah,
necessarily.
it's called a forklift.
Oh,
Not necessarily evenly distribute it, but just get it there. Like a conveyor belt system. Wheelbarrow and run the wheelbarrow. Just chuck it onto a conveyor belt that runs.
So now I gotta bring a conveyor belt to the job site?
Just a conveyor belt.
Man, you guys are ridiculous.
Make a dream. Thanks, Joe.
Oh, you didn't even ask for help.
I asked for a conveyor belt, and all I get is lift.
This one angry SOB.
I know. I'm just confused because like if you did get a conveyor, you're already kind of like low on space. Where would you put it?
I don't know. Don't really know. It's a great question. I'm gonna go ask him that.
This.
Let's get this, when he cuts that hole, we're gonna bring this panel system over.
Okay.
We're gonna bring this panel system over. One, two, 7? No, it's 7 after 3.
My bad. I gotta,
7 after 2.
I gotta learn how to count, man.
You gotta come over this way.
Way off.
Better go towards, still better go this way.
Towards me.
Keep turning.
Keep turning?
Keep turning.
We're up against. Kick yours in.
I didn't even look in the creases. It's pretty good.
Is it gonna be okay?
Yeah.
And then this section goes over there?
Right behind the
Do we have a piece cut for?
side goes here.
She's a little tight, boys.
That hammer, Joe?
This one over.
That one.
This one under? That's good. Here,
Hammer?
tap that up. Tap that in. They'll lay them flat. That's got to get shaved off or something. You're just wiggling back and forth going along there. That's got to get shaved off. Wow. Good thing you're not a dentist.
I know, right? Who would have thought? Wind on the water.
The saw?
Metal here.
Okay.
Sweep up this mess.
No, I was gonna help you out. That's why I moved that.
You can't put the hole here.
What?
There's an I-beam in the ground. And the bucket needs to come right here. I can't put the bucket. This is here. We're gonna have to rotate that panel. I want to keep doing the weed barrier so we can run the rest of the panel, but yeah, no, you're short over here.
You guys are way off.
You're short. You're way short. You're short. Go back. I would love to. Basically, like prep it up to like here.
I'm gonna get him orange underwear.
At least he wears underwear.
Oh, that's true. That was a low blow. Oh!
What's up?
Okay, Sean, what's the joke of the day?
Oh, the joke of the day.
I got one.
So, why do lazy people buy turf?
I don't know why.
For instant gratification.
Oh God.
It's pretty bad, bro. It's a terrible joke.
Because they're a joke. Because they're a joke.
Good one, Willie. You stumped me.
I didn't say it was a joke. I said it was a joke.
You should be a comedian instead of a contractor. Jay, you want to do one of these? You can see the straight line, right? Gotta go from like that point to this point. Holy, straight line. See it?
No, you made it longer? Oh.
You want to set some of those panels up on the next one so you can just rip them?
Yeah.
Hey. So put that one in and then take it out and then so he can put it in there. That's terrible, buddy. That is nowhere near a straight line.
Well, it started wiggling, so. That'll work.
No, that won't work. Put the panels in, I'll cut them. That looks a little better.
Not by that much. I think you used your safety.
Look at all those ducks. God bless you, child.
That's one.
You sure you want to help me with this?
Yeah.
God bless you.
There's two.
All sneezing services. How may I help you? This is Jacob speaking.
Is that all?
That is all.
Why don't you do it straight?
Because that's the way it was. Man, I don't think it's long enough. Straight. That's good right there. You want to fold it back and see?
No, it sounds and feels like right here. So what do I see?
Infield time.
More over here?
Yeah, I don't think you didn't get the fringe area, right?
Not yet.
Oh. We're getting there. Almost dinner time. Yeah, that's yours. And then you said you wanted this. Do you like a chipping mat? Is that okay?
Yeah,
okay.
perfect.
You got it. Yeah, I would say just don't chip it from like that over there, because somewhere close.
Pretty authentic, huh?
It's completely fake. What are you talking about? You want to go put around? See if it's fast enough?
Stuff all over this bowl, dude. You got glue. You want some barbecue sauce?
Come on.
Chips. That's not what they mean by chipping, Joe.
It's not chipped. What's this right here? Oh, it might have hit a car or something with that.
It might have hit a car. I almost made it in the hole. Let's try.
It's not like that every day for Willie.
You're supposed to push it in, Joe.
You're supposed to put a little slower.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
I don't think so.
You ever watch the curling?
This isn't curling, it's golf.
You're curling right now.
I'm sweeping.
Exactly, that's what they do in curling. Ka-choo.
No balls. You said it was curling, right? Well, hey, blow all the tines in the corner so we can sweep them up. Came out really nice. Perfect addition to bayfront property.
Okay.
Put it in here.
Put it in. Ow, my finger.
Nice job. Came out really good. Red Bull right after work? We know what you're doing.
I gotta go to Linden.
We know what you're
One in the
doing.
morning, one in the afternoon.
You're supposed to work at 9 o'clock tomorrow.
And one tonight.
We're gonna start doing quotes at 9 o'clock. No, you were gonna do quotes. I'm sending you to do quotes.
I still don't really know how to do it yet.
Well, you came on the quote day with me, didn't you?
I went on 2 quotes.
Well, I'm gonna do 1 quote, and I'm letting you do the rest.
Alright.
Good job. Stay off that pole tonight.
Stay off that Red Bull. It's kidney stones. By the time you're 21.
All right. Well, we're getting out of here. Back to Bayonne.
What are we doing tomorrow?
We got. I got quotes to do. It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
What are we doing tomorrow?
I got quotes tomorrow.
What are we doing tomorrow?
No, I got to ask you that.
I just asked you twice and him once. I asked it 3 times. I didn't get the
I got to ask it. It's not you asking me.
What are we doing tomorrow?
Same thing we do every day. Try to turf the world.
Turf in the world. Turf party.
6 times the chart.
All right. Let's get going. Let's get going, guys. Come on, let's go.